Let me take you through everything you need to know about Carnival Valor, a ship that has been making waves in the cruise industry since 2004. This Conquest-class vessel has been serving up fun-filled vacations from Gulf Coast ports, and after nearly 2 decades at sea, she still knows how to deliver a good time. With a recent refurbishment in 2023 and early 2024, this ship has gotten some serious updates that have breathed new life into her classic design. The Valor carries around 2,974 guests when fully loaded, which means you will have plenty of company, but not so much that you feel like a sardine in a can. The ship spans 13 decks with 9 accessible to guests, giving you plenty of space to roam around and find your perfect spot. What makes this ship particularly appealing is her home port locations in New Orleans and Galveston, making her incredibly accessible for folks living in the southern United States who do not want to fly to catch their cruise. When it comes to accommodations aboard Carnival Valor, you've got options that will not break the bank while still providing comfort and functionality. The interior staterooms are the most budget-friendly choice, clocking in at around 150 to 170 square feet. Sure, they do not have windows, but they come with everything you need, including a flat-screen TV, mini fridge, and safe. These rooms are perfect for travelers who plan to spend most of their time exploring the ship and ports rather than hanging out in their cabin. Ocean view rooms bump up the space slightly to around 170 to 195 square feet and add that all-important window to let in natural light. The difference in price between interior and ocean view is usually modest, making it a popular upgrade for first-time cruisers who want to see the ocean from their room. Balcony staterooms are where things get really nice, offering 215 to 270 square feet, plus your own private outdoor space with chairs and a small table. For families, the Family Harbor Suites are a game changer, providing up to 320 square feet of space, along with access to an exclusive Family Harbor lounge. These rooms can sleep up to 6 people with clever configurations, including bunk beds for the kids. The Cloud9 Spa Suites offer a different kind of luxury, with access to the adults-only Serenity area, perfect for couples looking for a more relaxed atmosphere. All rooms come standard with climate control, hair dryer, phone service, and Wi-Fi, available for an additional fee. The dining scene on Carnival Valor has something for everyone, starting with the main dining room called the Golden Jubilee. This elegant space serves up classic cruise fare with an international twist, featuring everything from perfectly cooked steaks to fresh seafood platters. The atmosphere is relaxed yet refined, and you do not need reservations for most seating times. The service here consistently gets praise from guests who appreciate the friendly staff and generous portions. The Lido Marketplace Buffet is your go-to spot for casual dining throughout the day. This expansive space features multiple stations serving everything from fresh salads and soups to grilled items and decadent desserts. The variety here is impressive, and the food stays fresh thanks to high turnover and attentive staff. You will find international options alongside American favorites, ensuring even picky eaters find something they enjoy. Guy's Burger Joint brings celebrity chef Guy Fieri's signature style to the high seas with gourmet burgers that are leagues above typical cruise ship fare. These are not your average patties, but carefully crafted creations with unique toppings and sauces that pack serious flavor. Blue Iguana Cantina serves up Mexican street food, including fresh tacos and burritos made to order, perfect for a quick lunch by the pool. For special occasions or when you want to splurge, Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse delivers an upscale dining experience with premium cuts of meat and elegant preparations. The Cucina del Capitano offers authentic Italian cuisine in an intimate trattoria setting. The Bonsai Sushi Bar rounds out the specialty options with fresh sushi and sashimi. The Alchemy Bar has become a favorite among cocktail enthusiasts for its creative mixology and skilled bartenders who can craft both classic and innovative drinks. The pool areas on Carnival Valor provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and fun under the sun. The main pool area centers around a large swimming pool that serves as the heart of daytime activity. This space gets lively with pool games, music, and the general buzz of vacation excitement. The recent refurbishments added enhanced water features for kids, making it even more family-friendly than before. For adults seeking tranquility, the Serenity Adult-Only Retreat offers a peaceful escape on an upper deck. This area features a dedicated pool, hot tubs, and comfortable loungers in a more refined atmosphere where you can actually hear yourself think. The space is beautifully designed with upscale furnishings and attentive service that makes you feel like you are at a resort rather than on a cruise ship. Multiple hot tubs scattered around the pool areas provide perfect spots for evening relaxation while watching the sunset. The sun decks offer plenty of loungers for those who want to work on their tan, and you can rent cabanas for added privacy and shade. The water slides and splash areas added during recent updates have been a huge hit with families, though they are not as extensive as what you might find on newer megaships. The mini golf course provides a fun activity for all ages, while the basketball court and jogging track offer more active pursuits. The jogging track circles the upper decks, giving you beautiful ocean views while you work out. These outdoor spaces really shine during sea days, when you have time to enjoy all the amenities without rushing off to port excursions. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Carnival Valor delivers with us an impressive array of onboard activities that keep boredom at bay. The fitness center features modern equipment including treadmills, bikes, rowing machines, and free weights, all with ocean views to make your workout more enjoyable. Group fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, and Zumba are offered regularly and led by enthusiastic instructors who make even beginners feel welcome. The main theater hosts Broadway-style productions that rival what you might see on land, with professional performers, elaborate costumes, and impressive staging. Comedy shows provide plenty of laughs, often featuring comedians who know how to work a cruise ship crowd. Live music venues throughout the ship offer everything from piano bars to dance clubs, ensuring the entertainment continues well into the night. Daily enrichment programs include trivia contests that get surprisingly competitive, dance classes for those wanting to learn new moves, cooking demonstrations featuring the ship's chefs, and arts and crafts workshops. The casino opens when the ship is at sea, featuring both slot machines and table games for those feeling lucky. Theme nights and special events add variety to the cruise experience, with everything from decades parties to formal nights that give you a reason to dress up. Club O2 serves as the main nightclub, attracting a younger crowd with contemporary music and late-night dancing. The atmosphere here can get quite energetic, especially on sea days when everyone is ready to party. For those preferring a more relaxed evening, various lounges offer comfortable seating and more subdued entertainment options. The Cloud9 Spa provides a comprehensive wellness experience that goes beyond basic treatments to offer a true retreat from the stresses of daily life. The facility features a full menu of massages, body treatments, facials, manicures, and pedicures performed by skilled therapists in beautifully appointed treatment rooms. The thermal suite includes a sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounges that provide the perfect way to unwind. Wellness programs focus on holistic health with offerings like stress relief workshops, nutrition guidance, and mindfulness sessions. These programs are particularly popular with guests looking to return home feeling refreshed and renewed rather than just entertained. The spa also offers fitness classes beyond what is available in the main gym, including specialized yoga sessions and meditation classes. The spa hours typically run from early morning until late evening, accommodating guests who want to start their day with a workout or end it with a relaxing massage. The staff here consistently receives praise for their professionalism and ability to create a truly relaxing atmosphere. Prices are reasonable for cruise ship standards, and package deals can provide good value for multiple treatments. Carnival Valor caters exceptionally well to families with children of all ages through thoughtfully designed kids programs and facilities. Camp Ocean serves children ages 3 to 11 with age-appropriate activities supervised by trained counselors. The space includes play areas, craft stations, and educational programs that keep young minds engaged while giving parents some adult time. Circle C targets the often overlooked 12 to 14 age group with activities that bridge the gap between kids' programs and teen offerings. This demographic gets their own dedicated space with video games, movies, and social activities designed to help them make friends with peers. Club O2 serves teens aged 15 to 17 with a more mature environment featuring gaming consoles, music, and dance activities. The Family Harbor concept takes family cruising to the next level with dedicated staterooms and exclusive lounge access. Families staying in these accommodations get priority boarding, dedicated concierge service, and access to a private lounge with complimentary snacks and drinks. The nearby play area means kids can burn energy while parents relax just steps away. Childcare services are limited compared to land-based resorts, so parents should plan accordingly. However, the supervised activities are extensive enough that older children can enjoy significant independence while staying safe and engaged. The family-friendly atmosphere throughout the ship means children are welcome in most public areas, creating an inclusive environment for multi-generational travel. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.